Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. This week, several Fed officials will speak at Riksbank events tomorrow ahead of the US December CPI Thursday. After falling to 4.25% just before the weekend, the US two-year yield is now stabilizing. Although the dollar losses pre-weekend have been extended, the momentum seems to be stalling in Europe's morning. This could set the stage for a turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. Investors insist on seeing past the COVID disruption in China and instead focus on the new support for property and aid for the wider economy. Asian Pacific market. Futures traders are pricing in a 60% chance of the Reserve Bank of Australia raising its cash target rate 25 BP at its February 7 meeting. After the release of CPI and November retail sales figures, Wednesday's odds could rise. Retail sales saw a 0.2% drop in October. This year's first decline was likely to be a rebound. According to Bloomberg's survey, the median forecast is for 0.6% growth. The Australian dollar traded at almost $0.6950 after extending its sharp pre-weekend gains. This is its highest level since August last year. Tokyo markets closed today. However, Tokyo's December CPI report will be published tomorrow morning. This gives a good idea of the national figures. They are due January 19, the day following the Bank of Japan meeting. The weaker greenback and rising U.S. yields are the two main drivers of the yen. It is the only G10 currency trading heavier today. Market of Europe. Germany's November industrial production increased by 0.2% instead of 0.3% as expected. The October series was also revised to show a 0.4% decrease rather than the initial 0.1%. In late Asian trade, the euro was at $1.07 and then fell to $1.0660 in the European morning. Sterling gains were also extended. The pound climbed to $1.2175. The $1.2200 region is the next technical hurdle. Expectations for the trajectory and direction of ECB policy were not affected by the December CPI preliminary print from the Eurozone. It was slightly lower than expected. Lagarde, president of the ECB, has committed to a 50 BP increase at the February 2 meeting. Market of America. Combining the weaker U.S. hourly earnings data with the weakness in the services ISM, Fed funds futures saw the chance of a 50 BP increase on February 1 downgraded to 28%. The market moved in the opposite direction due to the strength of Canadian jobs data. Swaps market increases the chance of a 25 BP increase from almost 81% on January 25 to close to 81%. Support for the US dollar is around CAD 1.34. Near-term targets are around 1.3320. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.